of course, great deals to be had, not only because home prices are down, by more than 50% in places like Miami and Phoenix over the past 6 years, but foreign exchange rates are pretty favorable to Canadians, Brazilians, Chinese, and in those countries, their home markets are looking a little frothy, looking a little overvalued. So they're saying, well, I can put my money, I can stash it in a safe place, a place that has already had a real estate crash, and get the upside there, avoid the bubble at home.
If indeed the real estate crash is over, I mean that's what is predicated on this, right?
Sure, but I don't think there are that many people that think home prices are going to go down another 30%. I mean, we've gone down, again, 50% in a lot of these markets. If you can buy a house for less than the replacement cost, and a lot of these are, frankly, trophy purchases, too. So you have stuff at the high end, Russians, Venezuelans down in Miami buying up a couple of $1 million condos, and then at the bottom you have people buying foreclosures. This ad here is from a Singaporean newspaper last year, and this is to buy $58,000 two-bedroom homes in Orlando, and they say here 70% off.
Let me hold that up.
Pre-crisis price. Yield of 14%. So these are actually foreclosures that are being rented out, and this was, the United States on sale. Come buy houses here and make money and get rich.
Nice. I like that. So 55% of all buyers came from 5 countries: Canada, China, Mexico, India, and my home country, the United Kingdom. That surprised me. Those others, Canada's getting rich off oil, China's getting just rich, and Mexico's getting rich off commodities too, right. and India as well, and then the UK in there as well.
But what's interesting here is you also have a lot of folks from the BRIC countries, so Brazil, Russia, China, people that have not traditionally been, big sources of wealth, and you have all these new millionaires now from these countries that are coming in and looking at, again, buying some of these trophy assets here in Manhattan, down in Miami. Condos are setting, you actually have new record prices being set on some of these units.
What is also interesting to me is these places generally have nice weather. Right,
yes.
They're generally nice. I mean, Florida and Phoenix. Yeah. It's sunny and warm weather does attract people.
Yeah,
right?
These are nice places to go, and so even if you're not looking for the currency upside, the home price upside, the rental appreciation, maybe you just want to have a nice place to get away from the Canadian winter. Not a bad idea.
Not a bad idea at all. Any chance that this trend is going to come to a screeching halt, do you think, or is this just look like it's a more of a secular thing?
Well, I think there is a chance that at some point you do exhaust the appetite for these buyers. It's not clear that this is going to go on in perpetuity, but for right now, for a place like Miami that had a glut of these oceanfront glass tower condos just a few years ago, they've sucked up all that inventory, and they're actually building more oceanfront, glass luxury condos now because there's all this appetite from Brazilians and Venezuelans and Argentines to get in there. So, developers will make money while they can.